Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and have a great life and peaceful happiness in your life. So today in this video I'm going to show you some amazing and latest crochet patterns for AirPods. So your AirPods will be safe within this cover. They are so soft and the material are so fine quality, and you can get in any shape like teddy bear, any animal shape, any fruit shape, whatever you want. You can customize it even by your own self, or you can take orders for your customers as well. So crochet cover on the outside and silicone inside, lightweight, like friendly ergonomic design, like it will protect your AirPod from scratch and shock resistant. Yeah, that's all. So if you like the designs, do comment your favorite designs of the AirPods made with crochet. I would love to know about it. And do subscribe the channel if you like the video, share with your friends and comment your favorite crochet pattern in this video. Yeah, bye bye, have a good day.